Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Hey guys, I'm going to try to take off with the BM f22, I believe. Excuse me. It's got brush motors, it has two motors. We're going to try taking off the road and landing on the road if we can. So wish me luck. Here we go. Oh, no problem. No problem taking off. It's way too windy for these. Come on, wind. Wind's carrying me away, so I'm not going to be able to try to land it today. It seems like every time I try to fly, it gets windier and windier and windier. The odds are against us today. Look at it, just windsurfing. You guys probably can't even see that. Well, at least I got to take off the road. Look at that wind just carrying that stinking thing away. I put the landing gear back on for that. Oh well, it's pretty cool. BM f22, pretty magnificent little airplane. That's a good flight performance, really. This is in 6G mode. It's about too windy. I mean, I could put it in 3D mode, but on 3D mode down there. Now it's in 3D mode. You ready for some vertical? Won't let you do a loop in 3D mode? I must not be in 3D mode. That must be like Novus or something. Alright, let me try the other direction. Maybe the other direction's 3D mode. There it is. Oh look, I'm inverted. Got out far enough I can't see it. Let me get it back up closer here. There's some good 3D mode action. Yeah, you can definitely loop it when it's in 3D mode, see? You have complete control of it then. You can go vertical, you can fly inverted. Isn't that cool? Look at that. That thing's very capable, very neat. Now remember, when you are inverted, you have to reverse the controls if you want to keep it in inverted. Look at that thing. Very capable in this wind. In 3D mode or 6G mode, whichever you want. Very cool airplanes, guys. Definitely recommend these. Let's go back into 6G. Just that easy. That was. I heard something hit my foot. I think it was just a piece of corn stalk. You see that stall? That was pretty cool. These are very floaty. You can do some 3D flying. That was a little overkill on my reaction. It's a little heavier with the landing gear on, so probably won't be able to do the fancy maneuvering for as long. Well, I don't know, maybe. Adds a couple grams of weight, I'd say. Super nice. All right, let's get some speed. Try to keep my head straight so I can give you an idea how fast this thing's actually moving. I'm very fast into the wind. Pretty cool. You do have differential steering, and you also have elevons. So it works like ailerons. So your elevons are elevators and ailerons combined. Got my first battery warning. Still fly it a couple minutes. After you hear that, it'll give you a faster beep when it's time to bring her in. For real. It's like drifting with an airplane. Drifting in the air. Well, I would have liked to tried landing it on the road. That would have been nice. Just don't think. Maybe we can, I don't know. I don't know if I can float it back out there or not. Let's try. Nope, I think I'm gonna, oh, so I got enough juice to keep it up. There we go, wind's kind of helping me there a little bit. Look at that. That's too cool. Sorry about the sun, guys. Hope that's not messing with you too bad. That's cool. You see what kind of wind I'm dealing with here. Wow. Super nice airplanes, guys. BM F22. It's XBM is what it says on the remote, but I see a lot of people listing it as a BM F22. Looks like it has some thrust vectoring is what it looks like. I almost feel like I'm cheating here. Oh, let's see if we can land it on the road. I don't know. Oh wow, look at there. I did it. Okay, there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.